Hello everyone, welcome to Innovative Science Activities using Laboxd Science Kit. Activity Weighing Balance. A weighing balance is a device used to measure the mass of a substance. The traditional scale consists of two plates or bowls suspended at equal distances from a fulcrum. One plate holds an object of unknown mass, while known masses are added to the other plate until static equilibrium is achieved and the plates level off. Then the masses on the two plates are equal. The perfect scale rests at neutral. It can also be used to compare the masses, heavier and lighter. The activity packet contains procedure sheet, a board with required items, straw pieces and bamboo sticks, separate the parts from the board. Take the baseboard, fix the two rectangular parts to the base as sideboards. Take the two long parts and fix them between the sideboards as shown. Use the straws and bamboo sticks. Join the two long parts. Fix the two circular paths as shown at the top. It should move smoothly. Now we can use the balance. Now left side is heavy. It is balanced now. Both the bottles are of equal weights. Left side is heavier than right side. Now use your weighing balance to compare the masses of two objects. You can also find the mass of small objects using this. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed performing the activity. Please like, share and subscribe to watch more such activities.